Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been 2 weeks since I've purchased the Fantech HG14 headset, and if you guys are following me on Twitter, I posted this last week. Got the replacement unit last Tuesday and I've been using it since then. This is what you guys chose, by the way. So you can get it here in the Philippines for about 1,000 to 1,500 pesos depending on where you buy it, of course. About $20 to $30 US. I was able to buy mine at Lazada for 1,300 pesos. Unboxing it, you get the headset inside, I'm not sure what this is, and a user manual. To be honest, I wasn't expecting much out of these ever since I tried my first Fantech product, which is the X4 gaming mouse, which you can watch the review somewhere here. And I've been using it for about a week now and I'm kinda blown away. So first off is build quality. The headset is surprisingly light, not that it's a bad thing, most of it is plastic, but for the most part nothing seems to be poorly built. The metal support on the headband is surprising because it feels solid and rigid, although it doesn't offer much swivel. The cable is plastic, which feels durable for the most part, but not really a fan of the glittery design, with a lone USB connector which is not gold plated. You have an adjustable headband with the Fantech branding on top, which is made out of faux leather with red stitchings. The ear cups are also made of faux leather with nice cushions in them, which offer good sound and noise isolation, and combined with its lightweight design, feel comfortable and stay secure on my head, well, unless you do this. It has a noise cancelling microphone which you can swivel around and is not retractable. You also get an inline control which is also made of plastic for the volume, the LEDs. Oh, by the way, these light up in red. The tip of the microphone, the red accents on the ear cups, and the Fantech logo all light up and unfortunately is not customizable with different colors. You also get a mute button for the microphone. So the Fantech HG14 does have 7.1 surround sound, which I don't really care about. Yeah, as long as the headset offers good directional audio, then I'd already be happy with that. To use this, all you need to do is plug in the single USB-A connector and you're good to go. It does have a software which honestly you don't really need in my opinion, like this headset is already good to go out of the box. Maybe put the mic gain to 64, turn on boost, and nothing else. I have tried messing with the equalizer, the effects, and even the virtual 7.1, but I prefer the default sound of the headset, which I'd recommend you guys use too. The HG14 has 50mm drivers, and what's it like using it for music and movies? Well, they're actually really good. Although for media consumption, the bass is on the heavy side, but not so much that it would drown the mids and highs. And for gaming, I can safely say that you don't need to spend more than this for games, even for competitive gaming. These are great for gaming. Now, a lot of people question like, why do you need gaming headsets or headphones when you can just use a regular pair of headphones? Well, compared to regular headphones for music and videos, the HG14 and most gaming headsets enhances the positional and directional audio in games, the sound and direction of footsteps, gunshots, rain, engine sound, etc. Those extra details in the environment that you wouldn't be able to normally hear with a regular pair of headphones. It becomes more audible and gives you that competitive edge over other gamers who may be using regular headphones. But of course, don't expect this to make you a better gamer. Duh! Here's how the microphone sounds like, no edits and completely untouched. And I would say these sound quite decent and you can totally rely on them for voice chats with your team. So yeah, the Fantech HG14 offers great value and I can easily recommend these to anyone. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy this, and I think I didn't forget anything. Comment section is open if you guys have any questions, so leave a like, dislike if you feel like you have to, and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link when buying at Lazada and donate to my Patreon to support the channel. Also follow me on Twitter as I occasionally post updates regarding the channel there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.